Sir, Pradhan Mantri Swanidhi Yojana. For those who are constantly accusing us of dealing with cronies, Swanidhi doesn't go to cronies. Damads get land in states which are governed by some parties. Rajasthan, once upon a time. Haryana, once upon a time. I can give you the details. Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal has been repeatedly saying the kind of allegations which are coming for the lands taken away at throwaway prices from farmers. They gave farmers pittance and took away the lands. That is Damad operating. Hum do hamare do is that. We are two people taking care of the party, and there are two other people who I have to take care. Daughter and the Damad will take care of that. We don't do that. Swanidhi is tailored. PM Swanidhi Yojana is tailored for those small traders who are in the streets, who are selling their little ware and making their families happy with whatever they earn from there. 10,000 rupees is given to them as working capital for 1 year tenure. They take 10,000, do some business and return that. If necessary, they can take once more. And that is given to 50 lakh street vendors. They are not cronies. They are not anybody's cronies, leave alone our cronies, not even your cronies. They are people who think of the prime ministers working for the small, Dalits, backwards, the poor. And they are the people who benefit out of Swanidhi. They are the people who also benefit out of Mudra. They are also the people who benefit out of PM stand-up capital, which is being given at the district level for SC, STs and tribal, and also for women. There we don't do work for any damads. We don't do work for any cronies. We work for the common citizen who believes in the Prime Minister. And that is why when I probably will, sir, with your permission, Speaker, sir, I repeat some of those specific steps that the government has taken even during the pandemic. And those steps and the number of people who have benefited from it, I'll just recall it once. Then you yourself will tell me, where are the cronies? They are very much hiding probably in the shadow of that party which has been rejected by the people.